Welcome to another episode of The Story Behind the Car. Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, and we're at Dino's Get Down 2023, and just kind of meandering through the top 100 picks. Some of these trucks I was able to do a story behind the car, and this is one of them, but there's 6 or 7 I was able to get with the owner and do a story behind the car. But the way this worked is Dino's Get Down crew, over a period, I guess, of weeks, going on Instagram and looking at guys' trucks and then picking out the ones they liked as to participate in the top 100, sending them information ahead of time, nominating them, I guess, or choosing them for the top 100. And they got a poker chip and then a sticker and a t-shirt that was the top 100. And then they put all of the top 100 in this area. And so I'm just kind of wandering through showing various trucks. And like I said, I was able to do a 6 or 7 of the story behind the car where I was able to get with the owner and do a review. But just walking through just amazing builds on these trucks. And I don't really have a plan here, just kind of wandering through, but you know, look at this. I mean, unbelievable truck, wheels, tires, and then it's got Heineken and Jack, and instead of Jack and Coke, it's Jack and Sprite. But just really amazing trucks. So I'm just kind of wandering through. I hope you enjoy the video and just the builds, and check back because I'll have, look at that, the window goes down in the back end. I mean, wow, how much work was that? The work involved in any of these, just to the fit and finish, is mind-numbing, but then to do that kind of over-the-top work, just incredible. But anyway, if you check back, I'll have, coming out over a period of time, I'll have individual story behind the car where I get with the owner and we walk around their truck and they tell us the story behind their truck. But just amazing. Just a over-the-top builds. So anyway, I'm just going to wander around. Thanks again for watching. Please consider subscribing, giving us a thumbs up, leave a comment, help me grow this channel, and love to hear the story behind your car. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks again. I gotta check this out. So it's a Suburban California Highway Patrol C20. Man, this thing is amazing.
Well, no.
So that's a real survivor of the California Highway Patrol. What's funny is when they were done with that truck, they're probably like, yeah, what are we going to do with it? And somehow this guy got a hold of it. There's their Instagram account. All right, well, comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. And thanks again for watching. Appreciate all the support. And thanks for helping me grow this channel. It's a lot of fun, and I'm hoping to do this on a more regular basis. Thanks again.